don't have entrance now. Where are we keeping the batteries?
No worries, I'll put it there. Nothing go happen.
These are the batteries. We have 4.
That's Growatt. This Growatt now.
How many kg?
The 3.5 is around 7 or 800,000.
Oh no. What is 5 kg now?
5 kg.
What is that?
The Growatt is a inverter. 3.5 kV.
Like Growatt inverter. You know now, this thing has a this is
Put on this side. Put on this side. Okay, you can put one there. No, allow panel break. Please. I need one panel break. No break the one where go where your money go reach you. Remember, I want switch off yours. Where is the boat and not? I tell you guys to bring along. The one that they inside nylon, I gave it to someone. Did I give you any boat inside one nylon, small nylon like this?
it should be inside the car.
This car?
Sir, wait. If this was open with cloth.
It was?
That's broken.
We need to go. Let me do you drink.
Sir, the button, how many?
16 each side. You should not be using glass to cut wire now. I have cutter. No, sir. That he did not say anything. When he assembled, with the manual that comes with it, with the guide, he was able to assemble the dish, do everything big dish. So guy won't check for signal. Guy just say, do you know that there's one person selling corn on the main road? Yes, he's like, we saw it where we are corn. Take money, go and buy corn. Before he bought corn.
And that glass where we got to, you got put that glass.
Now that electric, we use the glass for. Now that electric, we use the glass for. Where half of pipe here, we'll be using just like half of the pipe.
It's on call.
That's why I said you should bring the saw.
No, they have brought this up.
Inside that part.
Yeah, go on. So what I'm here to explain is our just completed installation. We have a 48 VDC, 220 amps hour. So we have our Star Plus or battery powered by Star Plus India. We have 4 pieces of it connected in series, which gave us 48 VDC coming out here. We have our B4 battery rack, meaning battery rack that can accommodate 4 batteries. So we have our Growatt hybrid inverter, one of the premium Chinese products. So in this Growatt, you can check the current voltage, you can check the input voltage, you can check all the information on the display unit here, the load, the battery level, the percentage load, the frequency of operation, what is coming from the panel, and all of those details can be confirmed. So moving to our marine board, these are marine board. All the wires are hot, scattered at the marine board. So on the marine board, we have our breakers, one for the DC and one for the AC. So assuming we want to use the generator and we don't want the generator to charge the battery, we just break it off and we can put it back at home. This is the normal NEPA supply. So NEPA can also charge this. So we have a bypass system. The up here is bypass. In case maybe you want to work on the inverter and there is no electricity, put it on bypass. And the bypass work for both the gen and the NEPA. Currently is on gen, although they don't have electricity currently. So we have, then the down part is our inverter, meaning that the moment is on inverter mode, the house is synchronized. So even if electricity come up by, is it by the electricity distribution company, just charge it up. And we put it on solar preference, meaning that even if there is electricity, it first absorbs the energy from the sun before using energy from the energy producing company. So we have this our marine board to make our job in it. We have our breaker, here. We have our trunking pipe, we have our wires. We make it a little bit longer, maybe because of maintenance in the nearest future. So if you are interested in getting a system like this, you are just a call away from us. So let me just put it on. This is our inverter. For this, and this is our, we normally call it NEPA / gen. And these are input breaker. So, thank you very much. If you need this device, just call us. If you are within Nigeria, 080-380-15711. If you are outside Nigeria, you need to add the Nigerian country code, which is +234 80-380-15711. Thank you very much. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Just press install and call. You see my YouTube page. If you want to email me, panayo, PANAYO25 @gmail.com. Thank you very much and stay blessed.